Hello, teacher. Good afternoon. I am Juan Dimas Riascos Cano. Today I will about biography Lionel Messi. Lionel Andres Messi Cuscitini was born on June 24, 1987 in Rosario, Argentina. In his neighborhood, there was a rumor that a short boy was capable of carrying the ball close to his feet and scoring one when as is never seen before. Today at 1.69 meters tall, the boy from Rosario is the footballer with the most titles in the history of football. He started playing for the local club Grandori at the age of 6, motivated by his grandmother. His unstoppable champion spirit array stood out, and it once looked before he signed for Newell's Old Boys and the months later. His technical ability was spectacular, and from the beginning he stood out on the children team. Lionel Messi was also part of the team known as the 87 machine, which stood out is the best Newell's children team the numbers of goals scored. In 1997, due to his smaller height compared to his teammates and the brother. His parent to Messi to the doctor. He was diagnosed with growth hormone deficiency and they began expensive treatment for his family. Looking for a solution to pay for hormonal treatment and support Leon sporting development, his father took him to 3 or 4 river play. We host a couple of tours. He caused the attention of the coach, but the transfer was not possible due to disagreement with Newell's. At the age of 12, as the Newell's Old Boys refused to pay for his treatment, Messi traveled to Barcelona with his father to try out the Camp Nou. At 7 hit, Barcelona decided to send him and finance his treatment. Although there were difficulties with some club officials, a first contract was finally signed on the napkin during a conversation in cafeteria. A month later, the official contract arrived and the entire family, like Rosario, to move on Spain and support Leo. Messi went through at Barcelona Youth Reims playing with the under 16, under 19 Barcelona C, Barcelona V teams on the finale. With the first team and 2003, Leo accompanied the fifth division team to play and friend Max Impoto on surprises, making his debut on Portuguese territory. Thank you, teacher.